Howdy, everybody. This is Steve KM9G. I missed it. I do this every time, and sometimes I miss it. Sometimes I'm not even wearing it, and I don't even know. At any rate, I wanted to give you a quick update on QDX. The QDX radio is a fantastic little kit, and all that it does, and it does it very well, is digital modes. That's the size of it right there. So there's my hand, there's my radio. So USB connection, antenna connection, power connection. That's all you get on this thing because that's all there is to it. 4 bands. It does the WSJTX digital modes. It does JSA call. It does a couple of other modes as well. But it's all digital stuff that can fit into that type of format, that type of scenario. 5-watt radio. Works fantastically, but the kit has been hard to get. There's been some demand for it. The first 500 kits sold out in 15 minutes on October 2021. The second batch of kits, hands had enough parts left over. 375 kits in batch 2 sold out in under 5 minutes. 5 minutes to sell 372 radios. Who says this hobby is dying? I don't think so, because that is 875 kits in 20 minutes sold. So, in selling all those kits off, Hans ran out of the AK-5386, which was one of the main components of this radio. And the reason why he ran out was because of the chip factory fire that we've all heard of. The AK factory in Japan burnt down. So nobody's making any more of these chips, and there aren't any more available in the market. He has switched over for the PCM1804 chip to replace it with. The PCM1804 chip required a redesign of the circuit. That redesign has happened. The prototype PCB boards are in his hands, and he is getting ready to test them all out and make ready to make some new kits. So keep on the edge of your seat, folks. There are more QDX kits coming. Version 3 will be different than version 2, which was different than version 1, and then make sure you get your firmware updated. I will continue to have updates and other QDX information and oddities on this channel as they come around. I just wanted to share that with you really quick. Be sure to look forward to new order date when they do come up and get in on the next LAN rush. There is a video right over here, right over there, that I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome.